Is your stove experiencing extreme yellow flames? Or the flames will cut off automatically without any reasons like this? What is this probe and what does it do? Let's learn how to clean up the gas nozzles and lift up all the grimes with this video. Previously in this channel, we showed some videos on how to replace the battery, fix up the ignition probe, and tune yellow flames. However, some viewers commented that they do not have any tuning probe to be able to tune yellow flames, so today let's look into that. But before that, let's learn about this little probe. So this particular probe is actually a safety device that will automatically cut off the gas whenever there's flame out. For example, this extreme experiment, I lift up the top cap of the inner burner, and because the probe is located there, it detected no heat and it cuts off the gas. This is to prevent gas leakages. In some cases, of course, wind blows off the flame and then the gas is running, right? So this will cut the gas off to prevent any accidents. How it works is very simple. This particular probe picks up the heat and then it extended a little cable that will keep the gas on. So in instances when there's low heat, like this yellow flame, the cable is retracted and the gas is turned off. So the yellow flame here is not hot enough to keep the probe from keeping the gas on. So it turns it off for safety reasons. To diagnose the problem, so first of all, let's check on this hob to make sure that it's sitting properly and all the vents are not being blocked. Sometimes it's just because of some residue here, like for example here there's rust and also maybe some spill from soup and all that is actually blocking the valves, preventing the gas from coming out and turning the flames yellow. Let's check all the sittings of all these plates as well. This one is also rusted, although these vents look clean. Alright, so we just remove all of this so that we can clean it up later. But the most important thing is, let's take a look at the gas nozzle, which is this tool that is feeding gas into the hob. These are the nozzles that are feeding the gas in, and it will be mixing with oxygen to provide blue flames. To clean it up, we can use this WD-40 degreaser foaming spray. So by spraying it around, the foam itself will be able to get under the dirt and grime and lifting up all the grease to make cleaning easier. Let's fast forward the video. So after around 5 minutes, the foam is actually breaking down all the grease and lifting it up, and you can see all this residue floating here, and most of it is around the nozzle. One way to clean the nozzle is by using this needle and just push it into the nozzle hole, and this way we can make sure that any hard solid gunk can be dislodged. However, by doing this, the gunk or the solid residue might fall into the gas pipe and finally block it up again. So the better way is actually to remove the nozzle itself. Before removing the nozzle, we can use this WD-40 multi-use to just let it seep through and loosen the nozzle and loosen the thread. We can proceed to loosen the nozzle by using an Allen wrench. This one is a size 7, however it might be different in your stove. So once it's loosened, you can see that this nozzle kind of looks like a 3D printing head nozzle with a little hole there. And the bottom of it is dark and filled with gunks. We can also remove the other side, which is a little bit trickier. So we can use this flat wrench like this and then gently, the same way, remove the nozzle. With the nozzle removed, I use the degreaser to dislodge any grease and remove the dirt inside the nozzle head. Let it sit for a while, and then after that, I proceed to clean it further using normal WD-40 multi-use, and you can see that the spray is coming out from the nozzle very efficiently. After that, just reverse the entire process to install back the nozzles. Next, we'll proceed to clean up all the plates to remove all this rust and possibly any dirt or oil that's stuck there. Okay, with that, I use some very rough and coarse abrasive pad to clean it up. And let's fast forward this as well. Once it's cleaned up, let's put all the plates back in position. Make sure that it's sitting properly to prevent gas from leaking from the connectors. Especially this particular plate has to be seated on top perfectly. And with that, we can see there's consistent nice blue flames, and it is also heating up the probe, making sure that the gas is consistently delivered. There's some little residue of yellow flame is because it's trying to burn off the rest of the water and residue. Alright, hope this video helped you in diagnosing your stove problems. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe, and check out our other videos. See you again. Thank you.